Good morning, first grade. Welcome back to Calendar. Today is Friday. We're at the end of our week. You've been working so hard, and I'm so proud of you. Make sure you keep up as we continue on the virtual learning. And remember that if you have any questions, reach out, ask for help. Let's get started. Today we have something new that you'll notice in our calendar, and that is the pattern. So every day from here on out, you're going to have a pattern to look at as part of our calendar or meeting time. We're going to go ahead though today and start like we always do with our days of the week. So go ahead and get those snapping fingers ready. We're going to start with our little Addams family days of the week. Here we go. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then comes Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. One more time. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then comes Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Great job. I've already put up our different pieces to our days of the week this time. So today is Friday. If today is Friday, what was yesterday? What comes before Friday? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Right. So yesterday was Thursday. I like to call it Throwback Thursday. I love seeing the pictures of all of us when we were smaller. Gives us a chance to go back and reflect on things that have happened in our life. It's so fun. And if yesterday was Thursday, what will tomorrow be? If today is Friday, tomorrow will be Sleep in Saturday. You're right. It'll be your day to sleep in a little bit. Sleep in Saturday. Our month is September. You can see we have September here. If yesterday was the 10th, what does that make today? If yesterday was the 10th, today is the 11th. So I'm going to go ahead and put the 11th up. The 11th today is a very special day for the United States of America because September 11th, 2001 was a really impactful day for a lot of Americans. We will have a chance to look and talk about that a little bit more later. You also don't be surprised if you see something on the news or on TV about September 11th. Just keep that in your mind. We'll have a little video on that later today though. Okay, so back at calendar, September 11th, and what is our year? It's September 11th, 2020. So here we go. SEPTEMBER, September. SEPTEMBER, September. September 11th, comma, 2020. Okay. Now, while we're over here, let's go ahead and do a little bit of counting. Today we're still counting by tens. We're going to start with 0 and go to 100. Then we're going to start at 100 and count backwards to 0. So here we go. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's go ahead and count that again starting at 0. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now let's go ahead and count backwards. Let's start at 100 and go all the way till we get to 0. Okay, here we go. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. Let's do it one more time. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, and 0. Okay, remember that our season is still summer. We are still in the season of summer, even though it's starting to get a little chilly out, isn't it? If you look out your window right now, what does it look like? Is it sunny today? Windy, cloudy, rainy, cool? Can you come up with 2 things to describe? Okay, good. Now let's go ahead and take a look at our clock. What time is on our clock today? You'll see where my hour hand is, where it's pointing to. It's pointing at my 5. My minute hand is pointing up through my 12. Remember, if it's pointing up through my 12, that means that I'm at a new hour. We're not at any time past the hour. It's our o'clock time, okay? So I need to write that on my board. I want to make sure that I show you my digital box for my digital time, and we want this to say 5 o'clock. Remember, please, that the hour goes on the left-hand side of the colon. This is a colon. Those 2 dots are your colons, remember. It's your colon. 5 o'clock. Remember, this is o'clock. You see that all the time because I'm writing that on our math paper, too, to help you to remember. Okay, let's move on for today. We have 2 other things that I'd like to take care of, and we also have to do our Macarena. So what we're going to do first is the pattern. That's our new piece for today. So if I take a look at my pattern, I can see I have a triangle and a square, and a triangle and a square. So we can see that that's going to be our pattern. It's going to be a triangle square pattern. That's also known as an A-B pattern. So I'm going to write below it A, B, A, B. What's the A? The A is the triangle. What's the B? The B is our square. So we need to finish our pattern that same way. Triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle, square, triangle, square. And that is still our A-B pattern. A, B, A, B, A, and B. Okay? We'll keep working with that every day. We'll have A-B patterns, and then we'll also be switching, and we'll have some other patterns to take a look at. Let's go ahead right now, and let's do a little counting today. Okay? You have a chance to count every day when you are looking at your red folder. We're counting a lot in math class. We also want to make sure that for our math meeting calendar time, we're also getting counting in. Because we can't always start with 0 or 1 when we count. Sometimes we need to start at bigger numbers. So that's what this is really helping us with. So today we're starting with the number 71. 71. And I'm just going to be off to the side a little bit so that you can see my numbers and not necessarily me, but you'll see my hand at least when we're doing this right now. So we're going to start at 71. We're counting by ones. Here we go. 71, 72, 73. Oh, I'm going to stop you. Please remember that you want to be saying these with me, because the more you're practicing saying these out loud, the easier it's going to be for you. So we're at 73. What's after 73? 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. And what comes after 99? After 99 is 100. I always love to make it a big deal when we get to 100. Okay, we're at 100. All right, time to stand up. We need to do our months of the year. Stand on up. It's time for our Macarena. Here we go. You have your arms ready, shoulders ready. Do a little dance. Here we go. January, February, March, and April, May, and June, and July, and August, September, October, November, December. Then you turn around. Do it again. January, February, March, and April, May, and June, and July, and August, September, October, November, December. Then you turn around. How fast can you do it? January, February, March, and April, May, and June, and July, and August, September, October, November, December. Then you turn around. And now we're going to go as slow as we can. And when we get to the end, we're going to sit down slow. Here we go. January, February, March, and April, May, June, and July, and August, September, October, November, December. Then you sit right down. Okay, today you did an amazing job. I'm so proud of all the work that you've been putting in all week long. So today, make sure that you've completed watching all of this calendar. Make sure that you get your math lesson done today, your facts and your homework. Make sure you're not just doing the front side. Make sure you're doing the back side. The back side's the homework. The front is what we do together to help you make sure you understand. The back side is what you're practicing on your own to make sure that you understand. Okay, ask an adult if you don't understand something. Get in touch with me if you don't understand something. So make sure you have that done. Make sure you have your reading snapshot done. Make sure that your parents are just reading that for you and that you are doing that on your own. Okay, they can read the directions, but you do it on your own because you guys are so smart. I know that you can handle it.